airspeed, T's and P's. Flaps away. Traffic, Golf Romeo Mike, departing downwind. London information, good morning, Golf Romeo Charlie Romeo Mike.
Golf Romeo Charlie Romeo Mike, London information, just stand by please, your number 1, I'll call you back. Romeo Charlie Romeo Mike, thank you for waiting, pass your message.
No problem at all. Golf Romeo Charlie Romeo Mike is a T67 from Manston to Manston. Present position overhead phasing Stoke at 3,800, climbing 4,000, routing via the south coast.
Golf Romeo Mike, Sport 1177 with Road Charlie, it's a basic service. Just confirm you'll be continuing to remain outside the controlled airspace. So London QNH is 1025.
1025 and talking 1177 with Mode Charlie and A firm remaining outside controlled airspace. Golf Romeo Mike.
Golf Juliet Mike, Kilo Echo, thank you for waiting, pass your message.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Golf November Delta, Roger, Ray 10, contact my colleague now and I will pass your details over.
Thank you, Golf November Delta. Golf Romeo Charlie Romeo Mike, message.
Golf Romeo Charlie Romeo Mike, go ahead.
Apologies, I've missed my slot. I'm running a bit late. I have 8 minutes to run. I'll call you back when I'm closer. Golf Romeo Mike.
Absolutely no problem.
I mean, it looks like there's definitely holes in the clouds, looking at the shadows over the water.
Yeah.
So I think I could fly above it.
Uh-huh.
And where the cloud is, like, still looks like brilliant sunshine underneath, so evidently there's holes.
Yeah. Yeah, it can't be very thick.
No, well, it doesn't matter if it's thick or not, it just needs holes.
Right.
There's a difference between thickness and it having holes in it. Thickness and coverage. I can't fly through a thin cloud, but I can fly through a spotty cloud.
Yeah.
Content with your cliffs?
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, that's a nice view.
It is. Bear with the phone.
Hang on. I'll give it back to you. Give us a sec.
Oh, nice.
Manston is over there.
Okay.
On the next peninsula, that is Thanet. So I'm happy on this fuel tank.
Manston Radio, Golf Bravo Bravo, November Delta. Inbound, currently south of the Whitstable Harbour.
Bravo, November Delta, roger, the active runway Manston is 10 right hand, QSE 1019.
10 right hand, QSE 1019, Golf November Delta.
Golf November Delta, report the fuel in sight.
Wilco, Golf November Delta.
Manston Radio, Golf Romeo Charlie Romeo Mike, overhead for Dover VOR, 5 minutes to run.
Roger, report the fuel in sight.
Wilco, Golf Romeo Mike.
I can see the airfield. Well, I can see the hangars on the airfield, mainly because I know what they look like. And it's fucking massive.
Yeah.
Right, there was traffic at the Whitstable. We might get there before them.
Okay.
Or around the same time is my concern.
Yep, okay. Where is Manston?
Over there.
Oh, like actually.
Yeah.
And Golf Romeo Mike has the airfield, can't miss it.
Romeo Mike, roger. If you're coming up from the south, may I suggest a right downwind join for 10?
Right downwind join for 10, and what's the current QFE, Golf Romeo Mike?
019, and also caution the crosswind, northerly 20, occasionally 25 knots.
1019, and roger, we'll give it a go.
The runway runway goes from there to there.
Oh, it's right there.
It's fucking huge.
I didn't even really notice it. Wow.
1,500 feet. Got 1019 set. That's the parking. See where those aeroplanes are.
Yeah.
Golf Romeo Mike, downwind, right hand, 10.
Romeo Mike, Roger, report 5010.
Wilco, Golf Romeo Mike.
Traffic. Can't see it.
No, I can't.
Yeah, I can feel that crosswind.
Oh yeah.
Field inside, Golf November Delta.
November Delta, Roger. I have one chipmunk shortly turning base for 10. Report established on the final approach.
Field high, Golf November Delta.
Brakes, undercarriage, mixture, prop, pump, D's and P's are good. I'm secure,
Yep.
actually secure, and we're within flap speeds.
Golf Romeo Mike, final 10.
Caution once again, that's wind northerly, occasionally 25.
Yeah, I can fucking feel it. We're pointing that way, we're going that way.
Yeah. Whee.
I don't want landing flap. Shit.
You right?
We are now.
Yep. Permitted landing.
Field final, Golf November Delta.
November Delta, that traffic's now on the ground.
Roger, Golf November Delta.
Romeo Mike, have you just on the left exit there?
Wilco, Golf Romeo Mike.
Nice, and join the flight line, thank you.
Wilco, thank you for having us.
November Delta, unofficial wind northerly, 20, occasionally 25.
Roger, Golf November Delta.
And I can certainly vouch for that, it is a stiff crosswind.
Thank you.
mowing the grass.
Taxiway and join the flight line.
Next left, then I'll be requiring fuel, please.
Right.
Right, we'll arrange that.
I don't need to backtrack. I've got another like 8,000 feet of runway that way.
Yeah. You'll be fine.
Progen's clear. Archer is clear.
Golf Romeo Mike rolling 10.
Yeah, Mike.
Airspeed's alive. Fucking hell. Flaps are away. Takeoff time 14:20. iPad.
iPad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
0 right hand, so it's a right hand turn.
Yeah.
And Golf Romeo Mike starting downwind, changing en route.
Yeah, Mike, Roger.
Level 2000 feet.
Left heading 255 for downwind.
Left heading 255, Golf Oscar Lima.
Oscar Lima, UQNH 1025.
UQNH 1025, Golf Oscar Lima.
Contact Zulu, UQNH 1025. Contact Echo Zulu, UQNH 1025.
025, copy the Zulu.
Top box up, Sierra, New Sapling, QNH 1025.